All right, let's take a look at a table question. Can they be difficult or intimidating? Perhaps, but let's get to the essence of it, and it'll be a lot easier than you think. Here we go. All right, what do we have here? Effectively uses data from the table to complete the example. Okay, so what do we have? Credited film output of these different folks. James Young Deere, Dark Cloud, Eden, Carey, Lillian, Saint Sir, all these different folks. Okay, when were they active? During these years. Okay, and film output, so number of films. Okay, so this one is credited with 33 films that this person acted in. So in the case of Deer, 33 as an actor, 35 as a director, 10 as a writer, and then in the case of Cloud, 35 as an actor, etc., etc. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Some researchers studying indigenous actors and filmmakers in the United States have turned their attention to the early days of cinema, particularly in the 1910s and 1920s. Okay, when people like, and all these people, right, were involved in one way or another with numerous films. In fact, so many films and associated records for this era have been lost that counts of those four figures. So those four figures, these folks, output should be taken as, all right, key phrase here, should be taken as what? These counts as bare minimums rather than totals, so not totals. It's entirely possible, for example, that now, to be perfectly honest, I don't even have to look at these tables to do this question. I need something that shows that the count should be taken as bare minimums, meaning I need an answer choice that's phrased in a way that shows that there was a lot more that this given individual, one of these given individuals, was more prolific, produced more output. So I need something to do with more. I don't want fewer. Let's see. I do not like, for instance, well, let's see how B and D are represented. Let's see how B and D are phrased. B says Edwin carries 47 credited acting roles. All right, so 47 as an actor, right? Includes only films made after. Whoa, what the hell's going on here? It's, what do you mean after? What do you mean after? It's within 1934. It's still within this period, so it's a misrepresentation. What about D? Actually directed 33. So we got Deer. Actually directed 33. Directed, it says 35 here. So where did that come from? And acted only in 10. I mean, this is a misrepresentation of these numbers. So this is not going to work. So that by default, we're left with the answer. See, what does this say? Far more than 66. All right, so let's see if this checks out. We have Sir, 66. Yeah. Far more. I do like the word more. Far more. Far more. Yeah. Count should be taken as bare minimum. So therefore, there must be more. There must be more. Far more. All right. That's how this table question works.